Action. Hi there, I'm Megan Whitney.
And I'm Meg Boltop, and welcome to Sewciety Studio with the Megans.
We are so excited to be making our dream of a YouTube channel a reality.
We started this channel as a way to connect our 3 sewing business brands.
Right, so we own and operate Urban Sewciety, which is our brick and mortar and online retail shop. Studio M Squared is our sewing pattern brand, and Sewciety Kids is our proprietary sewing curriculum for kids. So we've been building these 3 brands for 10 years now, and we really wanted to launch this channel as a way to connect the 3 and have one place that you can go to stay updated on everything that we're doing within these 3 brands.
Our videos will include sewing tutorials, Q&As, product reviews, tips on Janome sewing machines, interviews, and more.
We have so much that we want to share with you, so make sure you subscribe. And if you want to hear the story of how our 3 sewing brands came to be, you can check out our Sewciety Studio backstory video.
Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!